You guys need to be behind me so you can see the size.
What is that, Zachary?
I want candy. 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 A candy, Papa.
Yeah, wow.
Candy.
Is it good?
Candy.
Yeah. Is that your favorite thing? Yeah.
Candy. Papa.
Yes, sir.
Papa.
Is it good? Whoa. Be careful.
Papa. Candy.
Candy. Is it good?
Yo quiero, ¿me lo regalas?
Oh, that's sweet. You're going to give some to Mama.
Okay, I'll bite off a little piece.
Oh, wow. That's so nice of you.
Thank you, honey.
You love candy, don't you?